friends, and welcome to the channel. Today, I was throwing my gum away so y'all didn't have to watch me chompity chomp chomp. Anyways, today is a grocery haul. It is Walmart, Aldi. It is the end of the day and I'm filming the intro, and there will be a Sam's haul in here as well. So if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. My name is Rhonda and welcome to Hot Mess in the Kitchen, where it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we have a good time shopping, hauling, sometimes cooking. That part's not always a good time, but watching my family enjoy it, that's a good time. Anyways, my name's Rhonda and over here we do the things. Also, I had a random question comment. Teeth. What do I use to whiten my teeth? I think it's called Luminex. Is that what it's called? I don't know. I'll have it linked down below. I get them off the strips off of Amazon, and I like them because I have sensitive, or I used to have sensitive teeth. That is donations. But anyways, I have sensitive teeth and they don't affect my teeth. Another one that I really like is Whitening Lightning by Gerard Cosmetics, and I do have a coupon code for that. It's Hot Mess, and it'll save you like 30% off, I do believe. So anywho's, let's go ahead and jump into the random haul. And I never know which one will come next, so I think in the end of the clips I'm like, and now for such and such. Anyways, enjoy. Okay friends, so here's my little Walmart haul. It was like maybe $38–40. So is it me or did these shrink? I swear they get smaller every time, but the carb count stays the same, which is interesting. I got the fajita size. For some reason I thought the fajita size was gonna be like larger, like a burrito, but whatever. Anyways, I'm going to make some wraps, so stay tuned on that. I am going to be using these flavor packets. Then this was on sale. They had a bunch of their beauty products on sale, at least the day that I placed this order. So this is L'Oreal Magic Shine BB Cream. It's an anti-redness. In my head, it's going to be like the Dr. Jart or maybe the Arborium CC Red Cream. Actually, I'm going to go with the Dr. Jart because CC Red, I think, is more coverage. I don't know. We will see and compare. So video coming soon. Then I keep hearing everybody talk about these. This could be some trouble, but I thought they were really cute and I was going to try them out. I, again, thought they would be larger. They're not, but I don't know. I'll try them out. They're going to be too small. Even these are going to be pretty small for the wraps that I plan on making, but we'll figure it out. So green chilies and jalapenos are already chopped. I guess they were on sale or whatever. They're hard to come by. So I went ahead and got more for my backup pantry. By the way, this is that Temu thermos that I hauled in one of my first couple of Temu hauls over on my channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. My kids freaking love this. They had gone on a picnic with their friend and took this and actually requested it. It is the cutest little thermos. I think it's down to like under $10 now, probably less than that. Plus I have a coupon code with Temu. I'll have it in my description box below for you guys. Anyways, and then the last thing were these little snack size Bob Evans mac and cheeses. My kid loves them. So anyways, I got my Aldi haul coming, and then there will be a Sam's haul in this video as well. Alright, and now for the Aldi haul. So this is never in stock, and I told y'all, if you can get your hands on the sugar-free French vanilla coffee creamer, it's like liquid gold around here. So I was able to snag 5 purple onions, yellow onions, we got some green onions, some coleslaw, 3 bags of their salad. With the wraps, which I'll probably have had made a short, or a short will be coming, I like to use the different colored peppers. I did get these yummy olives. I don't know why, but these are literally my favorite from Aldi. Then I found these. So these are the Protein Snack Selects. Never tried them, but it's like cheese and like sausage. So I was pretty excited about that. Less expensive than typically the ones you find with like the cranberries in it and stuff. And the cranberries will shoot my sugar up. So I try and keep it pretty low carb. So anyways, I have allergies, as we know. You hear me sniffling all the time. So I picked up 4 of these because I make my own nasal rinse. It's just salt and baking soda. And water, and then I'll do like a drop of oil of oregano when I have a sinus infection coming on. Actually, when it just feels like I could. Anyways, I'm talking too much. So moving on, excited to find mushrooms, got some cream cheese, taco packets. Mom's too tired to cook, so I throw this in a pot. The kids are happy. I got a total of like 8 bags of these because I needed to restock my prepper pantry. It's a working prepper pantry. So we have our upstairs pantry, and then we have our backup pantry, and I only had 2 bags left, so I needed to restock that. Picked up some more whipped topping. For some reason, when I get this from Walmart, it goes bad quick. So I like to pick it up at Aldi. I did find another thing of green chilies. I got 1 can of cream of mushroom. We don't use it as much, but I have used 1. And then 6 cans of the cream of chicken. And there's my other egg noodles. So that is my little Aldi haul. And I will have a Sam's haul coming as well. Y'all, I totally forgot. From Aldi's, I needed to restock my meat. So we were starting to go low on it. So I did get some of their ground beef, a pork sausage, and then my kids really love their burgers. So that is the meat that we got. We're still great on chicken and all of that. But anywho, now I've started putting stuff away. That's my Aldi haul. Alright, so for my Sam's order, I got some baby wipes because I like a clean booty, not because we have a baby. And then I love washing our clothes with white vinegar. I also make our fabric softener with it. It's super easy. You just fill up your little laundry pump with white vinegar and then whatever essential oils. I get some from the Good Candle. Code HOTMESS actually will save you, is it 15%? I think it's like 10 or 15% off, $15 or more over at the Good Candle. I love Martha's candles. They're clean, they're natural, they're soy, non-toxic, they're amazing. But I did find this off of Amazon, and it's supposed to smell like, you know, the Downy fabric softener, and it actually does. So I went ahead and picked that up to try out. And then, of course, I've got the rest of my Sam's order. So picked up some bananas and lemons. We try and have fish at least once a week, and I found that if I squeeze lemon over the fish, it's not as fishy. Anyways, my youngin was craving some sourdough bread, so found some of that. The little mini cucumbers. I love making little cucumber salads. I also found like this low carb English muffin, and I like to just melt some provolone cheese on there. The best ranch dressing that isn't homemade, that that you don't have to make. Lighthouse. Oh my gosh, this stuff is so flipping good. The price has been going up, which kind of stinks, but it's so good. I always stock up on nuts because I am horrible about working, and then just being starvation mode. So I like to snack on those. My son and I, well actually our whole house, we love the spinach artichoke dip. So got some of that. Cheese already shredded because it makes life so much easier. I did pick up the heavy whipping cream there. I normally get it at Costco, but I wasn't putting in an order at Costco. This is, you know, obviously Sam's. A box of Philadelphia cream cheese. Then I like to stock up on our fruits. I did get some blueberries and some strawberries. My husband found these, and these are amazing. The turkey sticks, you do have to keep them in the refrigerator, but you all, they are freaking delicious. I absolutely love them. So I love these and the chomp sticks. The chomp sticks don't have to be refrigerated, where these have to. My kids are going through a whole, oh, does that not make anyone else nervous? People just like chuck their spoon in. And I'm just like, that could go down the garbage disposal. Anyways, so this is my kiddo's favorite chicken nugs right now. The bear, I think they're called like bear chicken or something like that. We get at Costco. It's been they've been sold out. So we really like these. I always keep coleslaw on hand. It's just an easy side dish to make. And then the salads. I picked up those 3 from Aldi, and literally within like 2 days they were bad, even though they said they were supposed to stay good. So I don't know, it's probably like the weather, the transit, whatever. So anyways, that is my Sam's haul. Alright friends, so that is all for today's grocery video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you decide to stick around, subscribe, check me out on my other channels, Hot Mess Mama MD, where I talk about makeup. I do subscription unboxings, and then of course Hot Mess Mama vlogs, where I do a ton of CoverGirl try-on hauls over there. I will be back with more stuff at some point. So anyways, follow me over on TikTok and Instagram at HotMessMama4, and until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye friends.